Chapel by now kasi. Yes! Cheering squad of the blue team, I think you really need to do high and real. The referee of the red team is dancing. Four minutes and 15 seconds left. Oh my God! Careful! You know, this could be the most every panaro at championship na Rasmus Benz Marathi ang laro. Ronel, please be visible. You might pray that in the rosary there because of the tension. Habol. 116-117 in favor of St. Peter. Would you like to inform us of the time, Van? 4 minutes and 50 seconds left for the fourth quarter. Isa lang ang labang ng tama. With the shot! Juanito, just take easy, Juanito. Genera perita mira de Montira, Juanito. Really ho! Malandugan elbow na nakayusin by Elboy. Country, yes. St. Paul, gather yourselves, and St. Peter. Another press by Father Freud. It's tie score over figure. 122 tie score! It's no longer tie score. Again, Van, do not focus on the game. Focus on me, the time. What is the time? Three minutes and 30 seconds left. Fourth quarter. Yes, just make the defense. Apiki naman ang Queen daw kayo. Martin
Makatindig balahin ang laro.
Alam ko masyadong maliwanag at hindi nakikita ng ating referee ang nangyayari. Yes! Oh my God, Father Freud for it. Last 2 minutes for the fourth quarter. We have 2 minutes and the update of our score, please. It's 128-122 in favor of St. Peter. Time out. Call by. Update of the score. It's 2 minutes and 22 seconds left for our fourth quarter. 2 minutes and 32 seconds. What would be the strategy for? Oh, we have Kim here to ease the tension in our court. Who wants to join Kim first there in cheering squad? You may join him. We will be entertained by our dear hermanos. Together with y'all, with these guts to dance. My God, y'all, the late evolution of T-Rex according to our Wow, Father Freud! Really smooth!
Yes.
This is the most
I'm taking video.
enjoyable day. We are last day.
But do not forget to our man to enjoy the game.
Yes, that's what I'm pointing out by the label. Yes, Kian, that's the whistle to continue the game.
What's the
22
video? This
2
is
minutes and 32 seconds left. The third part.
Go, Father Fry!
Ronel, please be visible. Yeah. There you go, there you go. Yan injured ka na guys si Ronel. Kay 50. Oh, ang puro ka ng resto. Ronel, take it easy, Ronel. Be careful of your heart. You might may mag-iago pressure. Baka sobrang suspense ng laro natin. My God. Yes! Oh my God! Buti na lang. Nakuha. Laman yan, Pablo! Sige lang, sige lang. Kaya pa yan, mga kapatid. Last 2 minutes! Last 2 minutes, Armando, ha? Marami pang hindi pa nga talaga natin mapapatunayan na marami pang pwedeng mangyari sa last 2 minutes. Bilog ang mundo. Bilog ang mundo. No, it's not actually bilog. No, it's not circle. Yes, Camille! Yes, the update of the score and the time. Si Brad, pinapabilang pa niya sa akin. 1 minute and 15 seconds left. My God, ha? Hirap pag-analyze ng oras.
Radio station.
Ban, Ban. No, you call. You stay here and you call the other one to come there.
Answer me. You need to hear.
Update of the score. 126 and 130 in favor of Peter. And we have 1 minute left with a score of 130 and 136. Just be careful. What will be the technique of this guy? Of the technique of the blue. Yan muli have another score from Vicente Quintana. Careful. Baka sa huling El Bimbo ikay madali.
Ingat. Magalo.
Iyak pa! 3 points by Father.
Time